Hello and welcome to Alex's theme park world. I'm being quiet because I'm staying in the Chessington Gruffalo room at Just Till World Adventures Resort. Staying in room 345. So let's get straight in.
You go ahead and I'll follow after.
So got sound effects as you go in, and also the key cards are got the mouse on it. So as soon as you walk in, to your right you have the children's area, so you've got the triple bed with a nice cover over it, leaf on the top there, leaves, mouse holding a TV remote, TV. Then this is like a little game, acorn game. It's like, it makes noises when you move it, and yeah.
All was quiet in the deep, dark wood.
So yeah, there's a mirror here, and if you turn in here, there's a bookcase which will usually have a book in it, and it will usually have pop badges. The pop badge is this one here. You can see that there. So then as you go forward, you get to use a thingy. It's a Gruffalo poncho, drinks and all of that, ironing board, and then the bathroom, yeah, normal. There's an owl up there. Oh help, oh no, it's Gruffalo. There's also a TV. Off, and then into the adult area of the room, you have the massive Gruffalo up there. The bed, Gruffalo cushion with puff prickles, and it also has like talking Gruffalo. So it says, "Hi, I'm the Gruffalo, and I'm super excited to meet you. Please leave me in this room for the next young adventurers to enjoy my company. If you'd like to take me home with you, please take me to reception, where you can purchase me for a special offer of £17.50. Thank you for keeping me safe in my home." That's that. So here, and then here it says all the activities you can do. So you get fast track for which you can claim from reception, where you giving you access to 14 different rides, including Gruffalo. You get the Gruffalo film, the acorn thing, the bathroom TV, and the hidden bookcase. So I think that's pretty much it. You see, like, all the characters are just along here. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Subscribe and like for more videos like this. Peace out.